Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Flodesk to Wix. All right, so first up, for example, we're going to be embedding Flodesk forms into your Wix website. Okay, that would be a great idea. Now in here, maybe I'm going to go ahead over to forms and select a form, maybe an opt-in form right here. Click on the three dots and then click on embed. Wait for it to load. Now here's the fun part. Instead of copying codes right here one by one from header code to inline code, go to advanced options. Now click on get raw HTML code. Click on it, hit on continue, copy. All right. Once that's done, go ahead over to your Wix website. And here, go to the left panel and click on the plus sign to add an element. Now in here, make sure to select embed and social. Now select embed code. In here, select embed code. Okay, click on the plus sign and it will be added right here. So what we'll do next is just click on enter code at the top left. Click on it. Now paste the code in here in the section. Okay, make sure that code radio button is selected. Control+V to paste the code. There you go. And then just hit on update. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here we have the embedded Flodesk form. Okay, just close this one. And all you have to do next is just make it bigger, like so, to fit. And there you have it. And that's how you add Flodesk to Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.